In this video, we are going to discuss about one more topic regarding API pen testing. So we are going to basically discuss about how to automate API pen testing process by using artificial intelligence. So in Postman, we have a pre-default feature called Postbot. So by using that, we'll be basically trying to generate new test cases for pen testing APIs. So let's see how to do. Okay. So let's first discuss about what is Postbot and when it is launched and all. So Postbot is a feature of Postman introduced in the mid 2023 that provides an artificial intelligence assistant for API workflows and testing. So the AI behind Postbot leverages ML models so to help you debug and understand APIs, write test cases faster, and make sense of large quantities of data. So Postbot is a great tool to help you quickly generate test cases based on the results that come back from API requests and even visualize the results in a graphical manner. So you can basically visualize the response results in a beautiful GUI. So inside the Postman. So we will use AI assistant to help you author security tests that can help you uncover vulnerabilities in the APIs you are testing for. Okay, so let's discuss let's see where the Postbot is existed in the Postman and how to write your own prompts and all. So let's get into the Postman now. So here is the Postman. So we have a lot of Postman collections that are already imported in this. So let's see, like let's assume that Postbot is one of the client application APIs. So we are currently testing on this. So when you click on this, you'll basically get all the endpoints, requests, and all, right? So here in the bottom of Postman, so you got a feature called Postbot. Okay, just click on that. So there is a chat message kind of menu bar will be open. So here you need to basically enter all the AI prompts that will by using that prompt. So the test cases will be generated automatically over test feature. As you can see, there is a test feature over here. So it will be the test cases will be the test script will be automatically generated based on the prompt which you have given in the Postbot. Okay. So let's see, let's assume that you are basically, this is the endpoint which you are testing for. Okay, and you wanted to test for LFI vulnerability in this particular parameter. Okay, latitude parameter. Okay, so here you can basically write your own prompt in Postbot, and basically you want to automate the finding of LFI by just giving the test script. Okay, based on the test scripts, you just need to identify the LFI. Okay, so here you can use this particular prompt. I have also shared the prompt over here. So in order to identify LFI in the current API, so you can basically copy this prompt and paste it in the Postbot, and it will generate a test script for you. And you can basically, when you send the request to the server, you can basically all the payloads or that are related to LFI will be executed in this, the latitude parameter. And if at all you find any, if at all the response gets any, root or kind of text in the response, then that particular test case will be failed. Okay, so you can basically let's try copy this prompt. So in this prompt from this GitHub link, which is a text file and which consists of a list of LFI payloads in it, and pollutes the latitude parameter, which we are trying to insert all the LFI payloads in this parameter, latitude parameter, right? So value which of each request. Okay, for each request, for each and every payload, make sure to insert each and every LFI payload in each request. Okay, so if the word root is anywhere in the response body, fail the test. Okay, we are telling the prompt to generate a test script. If at all you see any root text in the response, then that particular test should be failed. Okay, so in that way you can basically find out LFI vulnerabilities automatically. Okay, so just copy this prompt and paste it in this you know you know Postbot insert. As you can see, the test script got successfully executed. Okay, so it was the postbot has generated its own test script, this which mentions that where the status code is 200 success. Okay, and the response does not contain the word the root. Okay, so if at all the response is not root, then that particular test case should be passed. Okay, if at all that particular response has root in it, so then make that particular response as fail. Okay, test case as fail. And copy, insert one payload after one another in the request. Okay, like by using this particular link. Okay, this payload link. Okay, LFI list of LFI payloads in this particular text file in GitHub repositories. Okay, so that will be sent to the server, and that will be inserted in this particular latitude parameter value. Okay, so we are currently targeting this particular latitude parameter name, right? So that particular, as we have mentioned over here, we have mentioned the latitude to focus only on latitude parameter. So it is currently inserting the payloads over here in the latitude parameter value. Okay, so when make sure to intercept the proxy using the Burp Suite. Okay, so to make sure to monitor each and every request that is going on. Okay, so let's intercept the request. Okay, so let's try to send this particular request and see what are all the payloads that are being sent to the server. I mean, to this particular API endpoint. So as you can see, there are numerous number of payloads that are being sent automatically, and if at all it sees any root in the response, then that particular test case will be set as false, so which means that that's a vulnerability. There is an LFI vulnerability existing in that particular parameter name. Okay, so in this way you can basically automate the that particular attack type. Okay, you can basically insert SSTI, you can insert SQL injection, you can insert XSS. Okay, many things. There are plenty of things that can be found using this just by using postbot AI prompts. Okay, so let's see another attack vector. Okay, so which is SSTI. So this is the prompt which I have used for SSTI. So you can basically give list of payload, any list of payload link you can give. I'm giving this particular SSTI payloads list. So and I'm also targeting the same parameter again, so which is the latitude parameter. Okay, so let's try giving that payload now. So make sure to delete the complete test script before you insert a new prompt. So make sure to insert this payload prompt and click on enter. So now postbot is working on to generate the script to test script to you know attack this particular latitude parameter. So wait till that particular prompt completely that particular test script is completely generated. As you can see, the SSTI test script is now successfully generated by Postbot. In this test script, it is clearly mentioned that every request will be sent each and every payload, SSTI payload in it. And if at all, that particular response contains 49 in the response as a text, okay, then that particular test case will be set as false. Okay, which means that it's a vulnerability, and all the payloads will be inserted in this particular parameter name, as we have only mentioned in the latitude parameter, right? So it will be only sent in the latitude parameter name, parameter value. Okay, so let's try to again intercept the request before sending it to the server. Now click on send, and as you can see, the payloads have been successfully sent. All the payloads that are there in this particular link, the inserted link, SSTI payload list link. So all the payloads will be sent one by one in that particular vulnerable parameter. Okay, so in this way you can basically try to test for any type of attack vector, like SQL injection, etc., etc., rate limiting, race condition, sensitive data leaks, etc., etc. So you can basically test for any type of attack vector using the postbot AI prompts. Okay. I hope, I mean, before ending this video, so I just wanted to thank Dana app. So, thanks for sharing this kind of information to the security people. So, if at all you want more information about how to use the Postman, Postbot, etc., so you can go and refer this particular Dana app link. Okay. So I'll also mention this, share this particular link in the description box as well. Okay. I hope you have understood how to use the Postbot in order to automate your API pen testing process. So make sure to subscribe, like, and share if you like it. Okay. Thank you. Stay tuned. There are many more videos that are coming up that are in pipeline. So thank you. Thank you so much.